Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is DailyTech. Today I'll be showing you how to fix the screen on a Galaxy J3 Emerge, Boost Mobile or Metro. So make sure you have the correct screws. Make sure that you have a new screen and a heat gun and something to lift the screen away from the body, from the housing. Now make sure that the phone is powered off. As you can see, I need a new screen. Remove the battery and the battery pack, the cover. Once you do, make sure you heat the front of the screen for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Now the screen is glued all around the front, so you have to repeat the cycle from right to left, up, down. Now once it's complete, now make sure when you're lifting up the screen, there are a wire from the top which is connected to the motherboard from the screen. And be careful, you don't want to mess up the home button. So make sure you don't put it all the way in, just a little bit where you can lift up the screen and remove the screen away from the housing because of the glue. Lift it up carefully from bottom to the top, as I just did. Remove the little metal piece that connects the screen, and this is how you remove the screen. Now you just replace the new screen back on it. Make sure you put that metal piece back so it can keep the wire in its place. And as you can see, the home button is still connected to the motherboard on the housing, so make sure you don't mess with that. Keep it the way it is. Gently close it down, then press on it so the new glue can take. And this is it. This is how you replace a screen on a Galaxy J3 Emerge for Boost Mobile or Metro. Now put back the battery, test it out, turn it on, and you got a new screen. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate your comments.